talk about how can you get tickets on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just come to this list here in verse, and here can you looking for any tickets you want to get here, or you just can you search for it here. It's going to show for you like this. So then here I'm going to select this event here. So then you just switch into open video like this. You go down, it's going to show for you like this here, get tickets here, just click on it. So with this price here, then it's going to take you to next step here. You just switch into open video. So when it's going to open video here, so then here like you see it's going to show for you like this. Then here can you select here a bronze battle package here or general admissions here, and here if you want to add it like this or here. So then you just click here on checkout. So then it's going to show for you a list. You just switch into open video here. So then here you add your billing information. Then here you select your pay with, and you click on place order. Then it's going to get with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.